Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by fixing the app state. Update MIUI and Play Store so compatibility isn't the issue. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Services, and tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This removes corrupted temp files and resets service state. Make sure to do the same for Google Play Store. Reboot the phone to let Android reinitialize services. A restart ensures background processes load fresh and may immediately stop the crash loop. Next, roll back and update. Uninstall Google Play Services updates to return to the factory build, then open Play Store and update it to the current release so the cache matches the app version. Check app permissions and give required permissions like storage and phone. Missing permissions can trigger failures. If crashes persist, remove your Google account, reboot, and add it back. This forces account tokens to refresh, resolving authentication errors that can make Play services stop. If nothing fixes the crash, the only reliable way is a factory reset after a full backup. This clears system-level corruption that app-level fixes can't touch. Backup photos, contacts, and app data to my cloud or a computer, then go to Settings, right arrow About Phone, right arrow Backup, and reset, right arrow Erase all data and follow prompts. After reset, restore your account and update Play services. If you hit problems during reset, boot into safe mode or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.